Hello and welcome to my channel. Hi guys, welcome to another video, and yes, I do live in this top. If you've watched a couple of my witchy videos, you all then know I'm always in this top. Today I have a box. I have started opening it. I have opened it upside down by accident because I just did not know how to get into this box. So this box is a little witchy surprise box that I bought off Etsy. So let's get started. So I did do it upside down, which was really stupid of me. So yeah, actually. Oh! One of my charms fell out. It's all out on the floor. It looks very nice. Oh, we got some herbs. Very nice. We got a lot of herbs. This is good. Very nice. So if my, by the way, if my eye, this eye looks a little bit dodgy, I scratched it, and I'm currently trying to heal it because it really hurts. So we have a couple fennel seeds. Nice, nice, some fennel. Got some lemongrass. Goat's rue, very nice. I'm gonna have to research that one. Some lavender. Very good. I've got lots of lavender in the garden, so that's good. Got some yarrow. I've got yarrow as well. How do I say Damiana? 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 Yep. I know nothing about that one. We've got some juniper. Very useful. And we've got some cloves. Nice. I hate cloves. At least in food, I hate them. Very nice. So what have we got here? We've got a nice little pink pouch with something inside. Bubble wrapped for safety. Altar oil. Oh, okay, so we've got some altar oil, so like an altar. Looks like it's got some lavender in it at least, and it's oil. We've got some lavender for sure. Something very lemony. It smells like lavender and lemons to me. So maybe that's it. I can definitely see lavender in it. But very nice. It's very, very cute. Look at this tiny little bottle. Look at that. Back in there. That's really cute. We've got some bottles here with things in them. I think we've got some pink salt, black salt, and sea salt. Very nice. I was actually going to make some black salt recently. Oh, and you can even put them on a necklace if you want. So yeah, we've got some sea salt. We've got some witch's salt, so that's black salt. So this is charcoal and salt. And some pink salt, which... And whenever I see pink salt, it's always Himalayan rock salt. So that's what I'm gonna assume it is, but I've heard people say you can get pink sea salt, and I'm like, is that a thing? But all very, very cute. Really, really cute. Got some white sage incense cones. Very nice. Just some incense, always good. They'll be very good for cleansing because they're white sage. I don't normally use white sage. I normally just use my garden sage. So yeah, I don't think I've really ever used white sage. Oh, my eye's really hurting right now. Okay, got two more things, and I think they're all candles by the looks of it. So we've got this pink bag, and we've got spell candles. I think we've got a white, a purple, and a red. Yeah. So we got these sort of candles, very good. Yes, we've got a white, a purple, and a red. Very nice. And a nice another pink bag. Very nice. And the last thing we've got are, element tea lights. That's really cool. I really like to work with the elements. So we've got some tea lights. We've got, you know, summer, winter, autumn, spring. Is how I see? Yeah. It's very nice. Very pretty. So this was the small box option, and I would say that it is really, really awesome. If you're a beginner witch, I would definitely recommend getting it because it's just got some real essentials and it's so useful. I absolutely love it and I'm very glad I got it. They do bigger boxes as well. I think I got the smallest, so you can have medium and large, and there was already so much in this, it was just so good.